Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I want to show you all this new wig that I got from Arabella hair. So of course I'm just starting off with what came in my packaging. You got a few accessories in there and then everything you'll need for your wig. Now the hair that I got is a 26 inch wig and the color is super different. I think this is a new wig for the company. I was talking to my friend. We were trying to decide what color this was. It's not really brown. It's not really blonde, but it's super cute. So I could not wait to try it out. This is how the unit looks. No work is needed for this unit. You can literally put it straight on your head. And I love that because I'm not the best at installing wigs. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging on my head. I'm trying to get a feel for it. You see the strap had came out there, but I'm trying to get a feel for how this wig fits my head and how stretchy the lace is. So I have a lower hairline. I don't know if you can kind of see it right there. I try to always stretch my units like down over my additional hairline that kind of hangs out, and this wig was able to, so that was perfect. The lace is really stretchy and it fit my head pretty well. The wig lays pretty flat as well too, so very nice all around. And this color is super different. I liked it. It was something new and cute. But that's pretty much all of the review that I have for the wig. The hair did really good. Like I said, I didn't do anything to it. I didn't shampoo it. Didn't bleach the knots. I didn't do any plucking at all. I'm literally just adding makeup to the lace so that it'll match my skin tone, and then I'm putting it on. So this wig is definitely beginner friendly, and I always say that I'm not the best at installing wigs. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So check them out. The links are in the description box below. And I decided not to add curls to this unit just because it was so cute to me, just straight. I did add a little bit of character in the end to it, but how the wig came in the packaging was really cute, so I just kind of left it like that. But again, check them out, guys. They're in the description box. I think this wig is really nice. It's a good one. So I hope you all like this video. Please like it if you do, and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.
up all around. Tries to make you down. So don't say nothing around. Will you forget
you're my bad habit, baby, you're mine. You're taking my soul down to the level. Can't escape the way you got me locked out, baby. I gotta break from you, break from you, break from you.
This is the highest cost. Take you and take you off. Let you and keep you lost. Will you forgive me? As I'm all my down. As I'm so down. Don't sit nothing around. Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me?